Odofo mema akwaba edeba kasa emfoni afidi a ye fe na Adom TV so. Yimede we ye Nkuranhyɛ. Na me amti dwom amede ho chia me. Edi amye so eye ni tekotego. Me da asese wo do afidi ato a. Ene ye betona montuo bi ahwewi ase abrabo se de ebo no fa. Ye fe no the capital of life. Abrabo ne esombo ema yen. Ye ka capital ase wo ko ye adwuma. Wakope sika pudu so de adwuma na ase. Wo fe no your capital. Enti abrabo so wo hia capital, wo hia bibia ro ase. We wake up every day for a reason. We don't just wake up. We wake up to make meaning of our lives and to bring meaning to the life of others. And a pebia was sodia. The entire was sorry ne say wabrabo benyanchira se and faso. Now would it be assign obi? That's the reason you wake up. You wake up to find meaning for your life and also to add value to the life of others. So we don't just wake up in the morning, just to walk around, just to eat. Yen sore keke. De ntia wo Nyankopon ebai emaya adechi bia kire se obibi asese ye de abraboye. Every day we are supposed to add something to our lives and to the lives of others. Fane ye sikasemu, ye dwumam, ya wadiemu, ya pomodnimu, ye mfie ni amro no so. We are supposed to add something to life, to our own lives, to the life of others. We go through what we go through as a part of the program and preparation to make us become greater and better. And you might famu nyina de chi, and you might try abrabo nyina no, e to ye say e be sua de afiri mu na hihye abrabo yetimi ade bubra e wo daachi emu. Ene nia wo be famu, eno ania wo famu no, enye mu na betena bosobo. How be a unya ye no, e by se ubenya anu yie na de abubraba. E kan the potokasem, the best place to build a business is around a problem. The best place to build your problem, to build a business or profit, is around a problem. Baby, I see a sin kunya, near penkoso, and put your pet abrabo anu eye edro kesepa, any baby or how ever. One is abrabo or how betua yensu or how ba said a bear benya anu ye ni anu edro na watimetin team na empo amwa kanwako anim abiri biara or how beba anim no na watimetin team epa or how no edro na etimi pejaw ti ababa yeboy enya betesa awari enya betesa apomudini kura enya betesa empo adwuma ena fom ne akofa bibia bebia no or how wo mu apindie wo mu ahwase wo mu from so wom empo sabe won sabe si from baabi ni nyina eba kosi se ebe kira kwa betumi afa so ebubra no abraba ayeye. Life successes are created when we solve our problems. Life successes are created when we unlock the challenges and create opportunities for our growth. Abrabo ye boy enkunimdie enyina so ene nioma ye gina no epa no aduro. Abrabo ye boy yenkunim die egina so eba na yesika semu ya dwumam ya pomudne ya wadem ne adesua mu no nyina so ene se ye hu challenge ne afifi mu ape opportunity wom se me so meyie na wasemu ayeye. Abrabo eni ho ema woni wa yemre. Abrabo eni ho ema sabe woni a wodi ani ha. Abrabo eni ho sabe ede masabe nkwase asem. Abrabo egina ho ma nyansafo. Abrabo egina ho ma woni a wa akuduro obetime gina wona so apenya nsa adware wona adwene na wabubura ene bebubura baba yebuyi eni ho ema woni asabi da bia wotwa asu ababo eni ho ma woni ada bia wonwiinwi ena ni kurumpemi ena mira me se dabi jai na hunu ni awo fam bia se eka brabo ho enti na beto wo no enti nyina mu nsu enyina mu ni apinie enyina mu embobo yoma ho gina mu na bisa se kwan ben so na mefa. Why do you think Christ became so popular? To the extent that today people are using his name to make business. Edem nema Yesu ene ye kasa ni dia ka nipa no mu ya ene na mafo bi ede ni dia business a odi jisika won krofo dada krofo ede jisika kase. Yesu oye popular esan say or solve problems. Christ became popular because he was a problem solver. Meboa. Ebi yare no asa ne yare, obi ene afra no wayi afro, e command nkofo no command brodo be mpimpim, ose munni obi wuye ose wanyane no. Saa nyoma no woye oye no ema sabinidi eka nipa num. Eno nti oni pa bia ye bo seba brabom, identify one particular problem in your life. Identify one particular problem in your family. Identify one particular problem in your nation. Identify a problem in your marriage and solve it.